Hey guys, good day. It's Vanesa Yvonne Sualeze. You're welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're bumping into my channel or you're coming back again and you've not subscribed yet, please just hit those two icons there. That's the subscription button and the bell button you're seeing there. It is going to enable you see most on more of my videos anytime I post. Well, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a very nice anti-aging whitening facial serum. It is very good for aging skin, saggy skin. It is also good for youthful skin, and it's going to help to boost their radiance, and it's also going to help with facial lightening. That is, if you want it, it gives and promotes a nice glow, and it helps to clear off blemishes. Okay, if you want to learn how to make this, and if you want to learn how to make different types of body or facial serums, then please hit on the comment section and then tell me what you want me to make. I hope you love this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and learn a whole lot from it. And let's get down to the workstation. Welcome to my workstation. The first step I'll be using is the aloe vera gel base, and I'm using this particular cosmetic grade aloe vera gel because it is going to give me that professional results that I actually want. So I'm not using the natural aloe vera gel base, but if you want to do that, you can switch things up. Okay, so this gives me almost the same result with a normal aloe vera gel base or a normal aloe vera gel. Yeah, so having added the aloe vera gel base, I will be adding glycerin to this gel base so as to accommodate other ingredients into the base. Now you have to mix them together so as to get it really wet, and you need it to get to that gel stage so that it doesn't get watery when you add other ingredients in it. In another beaker, I'll be adding my powders, and I'm going with N-acetyl glucosamine. It's a very nice ingredient for aging skin. It helps with moisture and balancing. It also aids the process of vitamin B3 or niacinamide as we know it. So anywhere you see niacinamide, it would work best if you add N-acetyl glucosamine. So that's my niacinamide. I will be adding my kojic acid. Kojic acid is very good for dark spots, so I just added that to switch things up and to make sure that it lightens the skin really well. So with this particular step or thing in mind, I will be adding my water. That's distilled water, or you can use rose water, whatever water or type of hydrosol you'd want to use. Just make sure that you're dissolving the powders in a 1:3 ratio. So I actually made a mistake. I added like too much water, but it's still fine. It's okay. This simply means that you cannot use the whole content for your product. You just have to use like half the content for your product. So behind the camera, I added my EDTA tetrasodium. I'm sorry, and it's a stabilizer. It is very good. It will also help with the shelf life of this product too. It's not basically a preservative, it's just a product, or an ingredient rather, that helps the stability. It helps to stabilize the shelf life of the product, so it helps the preservative you're adding to it, work faster or better. So I have I just went behind the camera to heat it up, and that's why it changed color. So I'll be adding it right now to the base that we just made previously. And if you noticed, I did not add the whole quantity of the powders that we melted. This is because the water I added before is quite much. So I'm using my stick blender to really blend this serum very well so that they come together fast and well. Now it's beginning to form that viscosity of a beautiful hydrating serum, but I wasn't really satisfied because I'd not added every other ingredient into it already, and it's becoming kind of like thin. So putting that aside, I'll be adding my leoprocram ingredient, also known as Azone oil. It's a penetration enhancer. It is very good. It will help these products penetrate into your skin and work faster. And I'll be adding an antioxidant known as Astanxanthin oil. It is very, very good. It is better than even your vitamin E oil, and it's going to be helping the kojic acid in this product to prevent it from oxidating faster. So Astanxanthin oil is a powerful antioxidant that you want to always use. I'm switching things up by adding an essential oil blend. It's a floral essential oil blend known as Absolute Romance. It has a mix of lang lang oil, jasmine, and rose. Now I still think it's kind of thin, so the next thing I'll be doing is to try and blend really well to see if it can thicken up, but it really didn't thicken up the way I wanted it to get, and that is why I had to add an extra amount of aloe vera gel so as to get it to the viscosity that I want. Now after this step, I will be mixing it again. I will blend it with the stick blender. Now I have gotten the beautiful perfect viscosity that I want for this product, and it has given me that sort of thickness and draggy feel that I want. The next and the final step to this is my preservative, and I'm using a broad spectrum preservative known as Germal.plus. It is very good that you add a preservative in this product because it contains water. So that is it, guys. Make sure that you are turning on your stirring really well, and make sure you add in an amber bottle. Make sure your bottles are dark so that it will prevent the ingredients from oxidating faster. And you can also try to check pH and see if you could adjust it, that if you want to adjust pH. But I actually have this figured out already, and the pH was just fine for me. Make sure that your product comes out really well. By tomorrow it's going to be less cloudy and it's not going to separate, because some products without the stabilizer, they separate. If you notice, it's not running on the skin even after turning it really well. It's kind of like sticking a bit, and it hydrates and penetrates into your skin faster. Using this serum, you'd enjoy the beauty of natural skincare. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you're going to start to practice. Please do not procrastinate. The items are not really difficult to find. If possible, if I have numbers or digits, I'm going to share down on the description section, so just go down there and search for numbers or links on where you can get the items from. Please, if you know you enjoyed my video, please do not forget to drop a comment and encourage me very well. Drop a like also, and hit the subscription and the bell button there so that you can get more of this type of videos. If there's any other thing you want me to make for you, or if there's any question or inquiries you'd love to be making, please send a message to the numbers right there on the description section, or you can also drop or leave a comment to me, and I promise I'm going to reply you. Have a beautiful day, guys. Bye. Whoa, finessing is on fleek, your taste is so select. You don't know what it's like. At your finish line, I by like 1,000 miles.